Good afternoon, Miss Sylvie and friends. Today, my name is Jennifer and my friends Atika Putri, Destirira Satriani Pungki, Natasha Alicia, Salma Nurfadia, and Julia Devi Lestari will deliver you a presentation about explaining food. We choose salad. We hope you will enjoy this presentation. And now let's get started to the material.
Thank you for the opportunity, and I will explain about definition of salad. A salad is a dish consisting of mixed pieces of food, typically with at least one raw ingredient. They are often raised and typically served at room temperature or chilled, though some can be served warm.
Thank you, Salma. Next, I will explain about classification of salad, divide by type and by temperature. The first, I will explain classification of salad by type. Simple salad. Simple salad is a type of salad in which only one or two component ingredients are used. Example of simple salad can be root salad, potato and beet salad, or cucumber salad. Next is compound salad or salad complex. Compound salad is a type of salad made of three or more food components, for example, a group salad such as Russian salad or Yulin salad. Next is American salad. American salad is a type salad that is actually almost similar to compound salad, but the difference is the main ingredients made from fruits. As for the example, American salad such as Florida salad or orange salad. Next, I will explain classification of salad by temperature. Cool salad. Cool salad is a type of salad that is served in a cool temperature or around 10 degrees Celsius until 15 degrees Celsius. Example of cool salad include seafood cocktail, chef salad, and Hawaiian chicken salad. And last, hot salad. Hot salad is a type of salad that is served hot or more precisely at temperature 50 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius, such as prawn cichlids with lemon slice salad and smoked beet and pineapple salad.
Thank you, Leah. And now I will explain about function of salad. There are three about functions of salad. First, salad as appetizer. Second, salad as main course. And last, salad as a side dish. First, salad as appetizer. The salad can be used as an appetizer to increase appetite before entering the main menu. Serving weight around 50 gram until 70 gram. There are two types of salad, namely fruit salad and vegetable salad. Both of these are served cold. Salad as main course. Usually, in salad as main course contain portions of foods that are high in protein, such as meat, fish, eggs, nuts, or cheese. Especially for vegetarians, the salad contains only vegetables and usually portion size between 80 gram until 125 gram. And last, salad as side dish. Salad as complementary dish made from vegetables and fruit to accompany the main course. And usually, salad as side dish served with a dose of 40 gram until 50 gram only. And for the examples, include potato salad and coleslaw.
Thanks, Natasha, for the opportunity. And now I will explain some of the salad qualities. The quality of salad. A good salad can be seen from several aspects, including the first is the texture. The main ingredient of salad that come from vegetable when served raw must be really fresh and soft and of good quality. If the main ingredient must be processed first, they must go through good material handling and be cooked carefully. And then there's the consistency. Mixing the main ingredient with the sauce must be just right, not too dry and moist or runny. Then there's a taste. Taste must be balanced between body and sauce dressing. And for the appearance for the salad does not only depend on the composition of the color and ingredient, but the size of the plate, salad bowl, dessert plate, and cocktail glass also affect the appearance of the salad served.
Condition for making salad. First, you must choose and buy high quality product and fresh ingredient for your salad because those ingredients will affect on your health. For example, if the fruit or vegetable are from canned fruit, the nutrition has decreased and they contain preservative too. Next, you have to determine the right combination of salad ingredients in terms of color, texture, and calories. The color must be colorful so people will be interested. Next, please store fresh ingredient inside your chiller if it's not used yet. This is the way to keep the ingredients still fresh and cold when served. Uh, Next, soak green vegetable during preparation time in cold water so they will remain crunchy and to maintain the color. Next, the taste of dressing must be balanced, so you must mix the dressing ingredient well so the taste is evenly distributed. Please do this step too when you mixing vegetable or fruit with the dressing. The last, set the same type of cut and size for all type of vegetable for making it easier when eaten. The salad will look beautiful and neat too.
Hello everyone, I'm Destira. In here I want to explain a bit about composition of salad. First, underliner. Underliner is a composition that is used as base and foundation in serving salads and generally consists of green leafy vegetable such as lettuce or cabbage, either left whole or cut in order to make it look more attractive. Next, body. The body or the main part of the salad is the most important composition and will determine the type of salad itself. For example, is such mixed salad or fruit salad. Next, dressing. Dressing is a composition used to add flavor to salads. The dressing material itself can use butter, olive oil, tomato sauce, and many variants. Next, garnish. Garnish is a composition that is useful for making interest the appearance before serving. At this point, garnishes have an important role as well as to increase appetite and aesthetic value.
We have a kind of salad recipe and their ingredients. There is a tomato cherry, a small tomato, blueberries, 50 grams, and the next there is green beans, 50 grams, egg boiled, 1 pieces, baby potato, small potato, 50 grams, chunks tuna in oil, 50 grams, choice olive or black olive, 50 grams, thyme, 1/4 teaspoon, olive oil, 4 tablespoons, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon, and last one, white balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons. And next, how to make. First, cut the cherry tomatoes into 5 wedges or 2 half sections, sweet 1 taste. And wash the chickpeas, then cut them into jardiniere. Boil the beans with the blanching technique for about 3 until 5 minutes. Drain and put into ice water. Set aside. Boil the eggs for about 8 until 10 minutes. Drain and peel. Cut into 4 parts wedges. Wash the sliced potatoes. Bring the water to a boil and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Boil the potatoes until soft drain. And next, discard the oil in the can. Set aside the tuna. Wash, sneeze, and drain. Set aside. And next, mixing olive oil, salt, black pepper, ginger mustard, and white balsamic vinegar in a small bowl. Mix until completely mixed. Finally, the salad can be served.
So that's all for today's presentation. I hope you all enjoy our presentation. Thank you for keep watching until to the end. We really appreciate it. Thank you.